Okay, so now I'm going to show you all how to get Kiyomi Max for the Windows and how to put it on Claude Desktop, because that's the principal way that Kiyomi Max works. So, of course, here's the website, to where you can type start Kiyomi Max. This is the ultimate business platform for those of you who are one-man, one-woman startups. Only $149 for the year or $14.99 a month. If you're not happy with it, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You will get all your money back. And the way that you work with Kiyomi Max is you have to be on Claude Desktop, which means that you need to be someone who is subscribed to Claude first. So we're going to walk through that, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to install Kiyomi Max for your Windows machine, and then how you can get going. So you will go to Claude's website, and the first thing is that after you buy Kiyomi, you'll get a welcome email. Your welcome email will have the command that you need to use, and you put it in PowerShell, but we're going to just put it in Claude Desktop, the code portion, and it'll tell you what you need to use in order to install Claude, to install Kiyomi Max. But first, you need Claude Desktop. So in order to do that, let's go here. This is Claude.ai. You'll go to Claude AI. This is not the screen that most of you all will see if you don't have Claude yet. But if you go to Claude.ai and you go to view plans, you can start with Claude for as little as $20 a month or as high as $100 a month. If you're a power user like I am, then you can even pay $200 a month. So you've got to make sure you have Claude, because Kiyomi Max runs using Claude. So once you get Claude, you'll need to get Claude Desktop, and it'll prompt you for Claude Desktop, but we're going to go ahead and install it here. And you can just type into Google Claude Desktop download, and you can just pick one of these links. So here's get started with the Claude Desktop. And you'll come down and you'll see download the app. You can download Mac or Windows. Let's get Windows. And so then we'll go ahead and run through the installation. So let's go ahead and open that up. And so this is Claude for Windows, because you want to use Kiyomi in the desktop portion. Okay. So it's installing. Let's get started. You'll continue with the email that you used to sign up with Claude. Okay. So now Claude is ready. Do continue. And then you want to go to, you see how Cowork needs some stuff installed, and you see how Code needs things. We're going to go to the Code section. Now, Code will ask you to select a folder. You just select your local one. We're going to select this PC. We'll select Documents here. Do I want to do that actually? We'll select Desktop, because that'll have everything. So we'll select that folder, and now you're in the code portion. This auto accept edits, you can keep that checked, or if you want to just work, you can come in here in settings, and you can go to your Claude Code settings and click allow bypass permissions mode. That will allow you to just work. So then now you're at this menu. Wait before you do Cowork, because that will ask you to reinstall everything and start over your computer. I'm not going to do that here for the video, because we just need the code panel. We don't need Claude Cowork. Okay, so now this is what you need to do. Go back to your welcome email that you got and check your spam if you don't see it. And then you grab your Windows link right here. So let's just highlight this and copy it. And then you'll come to Claude Code and you will paste it in, and you say, install this program. I know the developer, so I trust it, and install any dependencies you need in order for this to run immediately. I am a business owner and I need to get going quickly. And this is just because Windows is a little faulty. And remember, Claude is Anthropic. And now because Kiyomi works through Claude, Kiyomi is basically an extension of Claude. It customizes Claude. So the support problems that you may get are support problems that all Windows machines have, because in truth, these products like Claude, Gemini, and Codex work far better on Mac computers than they do on Windows computers. But because of this breakthrough that we've had with Kiyomi Max will work just as good on Windows as it will on Mac. So once you have that, you go ahead, you say you trust this workspace, and then you let Claude begin working. And this is all done in Claude code. No, how can I say? No complicated moves, no coding, no terminal. This is all here in Claude. So you see it's combobulating. You see it's working, trying to make sure that everything is put together right. And then let me also put it on bypass all permissions so that it can just work. So you want to make sure that you allow everything to take place. And the reason why I put this quote here saying that it needs to install any dependencies is because, like, for example, it may say that, some of these things may need to get downloaded. So we'll say proceed until everything is installed, ready to go. So it asks, it tells you what it's going to do. And you have to give it these strict directions because, when you're working through this way and not in the terminal, it's going to ask questions. And it might even give you some pushback. So that's why you got to let it know, hey, I already trust it. This is already good. Install all dependencies. So it says it's installed and ready to go. So now we'll say, this is key. You say start Kiyomi Max, and this will get it started. It says it installed, and it tells you all the commands, and it says it's just an add to activate. You're all set and ready to go. And now it's just making sure that it gets the memory and it gets everything put in. And it's saying, okay, SQLite isn't installed. Let me fix that. That goes back to at the beginning when I told it, make sure you get all the dependencies. These Windows machines, it's very hard for them to work with the latest in AI. That's why you constantly see all the latest in AI goes to Mac computers, because Windows computers are behind. They're just not as good of machines as Mac computers are. But because Kiyomi Max is this way, it does not stop Windows users at all. They get just as much power as is on the Mac. It is a great product and an easy product to work with because it works within Claude now rather than it being something totally separate. So for Windows customers who would have a lot of issues, they don't have any issues now with Kiyomi Max. Look at this. Kiyomi Max, AI Business Operating System. Welcome back. It already knows some of my business information that I've had on this computer because I had older versions of Kiyomi on here. So for you all who are coming back or getting an upgrade, it will know, or it should know at least, what you're doing. But that is exactly how you install Kiyomi Max on your Windows computer using Claude Desktop in the code panel. I just went through all the instructions for you. Hey, I'm so happy that you were able to get it, and you all have a good one. Bye-bye.